number is fine. Officer, say I'm here. Like him, Jamaican Man.
I know him. You don't need to tell me. I know this criminal.
He duped me.
Young lady,
$200.
what is he telling you? He's telling you to pay small money and make more money.
Exactly.
If you listen to this young man, your money is gone.
Finish.
If you know what is good for you, just live here now. Otherwise, they go Ghana. Just go. Jamaican Man. I don't catch you. Officer, you have 2,000 cases in my office. This one is making 2,001 cases. You cannot go free.
Officer, come. We'll see two aside. Officer, we'll see two aside. Let's see.
Young man, just allow me. Let us do two aside first. That I will not have to judge this matter. I don't do wrong judgment. Just stand there.
You must leave for station. You go give my money. Oh, my money. $2,000. Must give my money.
What is the two aside all about?
Officer.
Eh?
See. Officer. Oh, this one. Hold on now. Officer, hold on.
How fast do we have
All
this?
these cases is make a whole half.
Yeah, take all.
How you come? See, in fact, that 2001 cases were put for your head. I don't transfer. I get the charges. You are the real man. See, you get license. Anybody want go dupe. Insurance cover you. Officer cover you.
Officer, arrest that man. Do his thing.
Now what you dey tell me? You dey tell me what to do? Don't provoke me, your man will arrest you. Where this one? Here is that young man. See, young man, in fact, you're under arrest for falsely lying on somebody's head. How can you say Jamaican man? A man with good reputation.
That duped me of $2,000. Jamaican Man.
So you're still lying.
He duped me of $2,000.
Shut up, your man.
He's not up to 2 weeks.
A man that is as clean as water. You say he duped you.
$2,000.
Young man, you're under arrest.
$2,000.
See, for anything you say or do here will be used against you in the law court. So let's go. You had even
Officer,
you see that
$2,000.
when I called the office, as I called the office, I told them check the name of the criminal on the list. When they
Jamaican Man.
shut up your mouth.